shit, so. Got out of there subway. But it was after the stint in Guadalcanal. I got to Pearl Harbor.
So you got sick and then ended up in the hospital and then went home after that for a little while and then came back.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of the troops that evidently that left Guadalcanal first went to New Zealand. The sick ones.
Huh?
The people that got sick on Guadalcanal, evidently, what I read was a lot of them went to New Zealand.
Yeah, Auckland, New Zealand.
To recoup, and then from there they either sent them back to their unit or sent them back home, depending on how bad they were.
There was a guy I knew, can remember real well, can't think of his name right now. He married a girl there, North Island, which is New Zealand, North Island, and they had a big sheep farm, big sheep farm, ranch. The family did, and I heard from him after the war. Can't remember where, but he had a whole family, kids. And Eddie Nellis was another guy that I remember after World War II. You all and I were going. I guess we was taking that car to that place where they ship cars, everything, West Coast, to Honolulu for.
Los Angeles?
No, it wasn't Los Angeles. Well, it's back of Los Angeles away, Port Hueneme. And that took that Orpha. We met Eddie Nellis in Phoenix and talked. We were sitting there talking to him. Met him in the Holiday Inn, and he was a mail carrier. That's what he was. We were sitting there shooting the bull. And it was a, I guess, pretty big dining room and everything, bar. And we were sitting there shooting the bull about times and different things that happened, and stopped for some reason and looked around at everybody and everything. And your mama said, what did you hear? Pin drop. Everybody said, listen to us shoot the bull. One of the stories was a guy named Clatterbuck from California, from Oklahoma. He was a bull rider, Clatterbuck. And this guy, he decided, he's a real tall, lanky guy, he decided he wanted to come home. We was at Guadalcanal that time, that happened. And they'd sent a psychologist, I think the way they were, in there, to talk to guys, see what's wrong with them. Now this is hearsay, I've never seen it. But old Clatterbuck just said, crawled in there on his hands and knees and looked up at the sky over his desk. He said, my name's Clatterbuck, and he says, his birthday and all that. And he'd been through all kind of stuff, and this psychologist listened to it, said, okay, and he got out of his chair, got his hands and knees, crawled around the desk, put his leg up like a dog was peeing on his desk. And he said, I want to go home too, soldier. Clatterbuck. I'm going to. Oh, shit. Can you make enough out of that now?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I got almost 40 minutes.
Well,
yeah.
a lot of stuff that I can't remember.
Well, that was a long time ago.